This is our backyard. My kids are still sleeping. I'm not waking them up to be nervous. They can sleep all day as long as I can be out here panicking a little bit and taking deep breaths. This is my backyard area. I think you can see what's happening here. We're like an island, so there's canals on either side of us. We're praying that the tide goes back out pretty quickly. And just taking deep breaths because that's all we can do. We have a few inches in our garage and that's about it so far.